My name is JENNILEE Montanile. I'm the 811 Behavior Academics middle school teacher. Our classroom runs with a lot of staff in it. We have our teaching assistant, Miss Allison, two aides, Miss Tara and Miss Kara, and our counselor, Mr. Ducatte. Also, Mr. V is our principal. Our goal in middle school is to prepare our students to get New York State Regents diplomas by building responsibility, independence, and resilience. We work specifically with each student and their teams to tailor their educational experiences. Up next is our counselor, Mr. Ducatte.
Hi, my name is Randy Ducatte and I am the school counselor in your child's program. I meet with your child at least once a week for individual counseling sessions as well as group counseling sessions. For those of you though that are doing any remote learning, my counseling will take place in Microsoft Teams and my group sessions will be on Teams as well via assignments. I look forward to working with you and your families, and if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me. Thank you and have an awesome year.